Imagine a creamy fruit, full of flavor, and that can even become your ally in managing diabetes. It sounds like a movie scene, doesn't it? But believe me, it's not fiction. Let me tell you a fascinating story about the avocado, this powerful fruit that can be a real superhero for your health. The avocado has a history that goes way back, originating from Mexico and Central America. It began its journey in warm lands and eventually conquered the entire world. Today, you can find avocado anywhere on the planet, whether in a delicious guacamole or even adding a creamy touch to your salad. And guess what? In some places, it even has nicknames that make it seem like a true hero of the food world. Lowers, Healing, or Pagua. All these names are signs that it's a real health champion. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, Diabetics. It helps me keep bringing amazing tips to improve your health and control diabetes. Ready to join us on this journey? When we think of fruits, the sugars and carbohydrates they contain usually come to mind, right? But the avocado is different. Instead of being a sugar bomb, it's a treat full of good fats. And no, you don't need to worry, these fats are a gift to the body, especially to the heart. The secret lies in the monounsaturated fats, the most powerful for health, and I'm going to tell you how they work. You've probably heard of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated, words that seem complicated, but don't worry, I'll simplify it for you. The good fats in avocado are like heart superheroes, and the real star of the show is oleic acid, a healthy fat that's also found in olive oil. Oleic acid has the power to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, that villain that tries to clog the arteries, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, the protective shield that takes care of your heart. So the avocado does a real cleanup on your cardiovascular system, helping blood flow freely, making your heart stronger and healthier. It's like the avocado is the hero of your health, ready to protect and take care of you in a delicious way. Incredible, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. But what does avocado have to do with controlling diabetes? It seems like an unlikely connection, right? But let me tell you everything. Avocado isn't a magic trick that will make the sugar in your blood disappear overnight, but it plays a crucial role in your diet, especially for those with diabetes. And the secret lies in two superpowers it carries: fiber and good fats. These nutrients act like traffic cops in our body. They regulate the flow of glucose, helping to keep blood sugar more stable and preventing those sudden spikes that scare us so much. Have you ever felt that moment when your blood sugar suddenly rises, then drops, leaving you dizzy or low on energy? Well, the avocado steps in to prevent exactly that. It helps smooth out the absorption of glucose, making the rise in blood sugar more controlled and less aggressive. Now, imagine this scene: a hot afternoon, and you're craving a quick, healthy snack. You grab a crunchy toast, but instead of spreading that sugary jam, you decide to spread some avocado cream or place fresh slices on top. What happens? You've just created the perfect combination. The good fats and fibers of avocado mix with the carbs in the bread, resulting in a controlled release of sugar. No spikes, no sudden drops. Avocado won't work miracles on its own, but it'll significantly help keep your glucose under control. And the best part is that avocado isn't just delicious, it's super practical to include in various meals. Whether in guacamole, salads, or even a creamy smoothie, it will add benefits to your diet. And there's more. Avocado helps keep you full for longer, which is always an advantage, especially for those with diabetes. Picture this: you're looking at your fruit basket, and right there in front of you is the avocado. It's not just a tasty, creamy fruit. It's a real superhero in disguise. When you choose to include it in your diet, you're making an intelligent choice, not just for your taste buds, but for your body and blood sugar control. Avocado can be the ally you need in the fight against blood sugar spikes, promoting a more balanced, healthy, and of course, delicious diet. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but there are no magic solutions for controlling diabetes. And you're right. The secret lies in a combination of healthy choices, and avocado is just one of the powerful tools you have at your disposal. It doesn't solve everything on its own, but it makes a huge difference when integrated into your daily routine. And avocado is even more amazing than you think. It's a true nutritional goldmine, packed with essential vitamins and minerals for the body. Let's talk about one of them: potassium. This powerful mineral is one of your body's great allies. It helps regulate the balance of fluids, ensuring that your cells have the right amount of water and keeping your body well hydrated. But potassium does more. It's also crucial for maintaining stable blood pressure, which is great news for those with diabetes. Stable blood pressure means less risk of complications in the heart and blood vessels. And it doesn't stop there. Avocado is also an incredible source of B vitamins and vitamin C. B vitamins are like key pieces that help the body use glucose more efficiently, making the process of turning food into energy much more effective. For those with diabetes, this is essential because it optimizes glucose usage, preventing those unexpected spikes. Vitamin C acts as a protective shield, strengthening the immune system and helping metabolize glucose. In other words, it makes your body utilize everything you consume more intelligently, improving energy absorption and keeping blood sugar under control. Imagine that you haven't yet experienced the power of avocado in your diet. It's time to change that and take advantage of this superfood full of possibilities. Avocado is so versatile that it can be incorporated into countless delicious recipes. From a fresh salad to give it that special touch, to a creamy avocado toast that melts in your mouth, or even a nutritious smoothie that'll give you an energy boost. And of course, who can resist a classic guacamole? Avocado isn't just tasty. It's a healthy snack packed with benefits for the body, helping to keep blood sugar controlled and promoting a feeling of fullness and well-being. Now, you might be wondering, why is all this so important, especially for those with diabetes? Let's think of it this way. Imagine your body is a super complex machine, and the heart is the engine of this machine. If the engine isn't well taken care of, the machine starts to fail, and everything goes wrong, right? The heart works the same way. It needs special care, and even more so for those with diabetes. The disease can affect blood vessels, increase blood pressure, and over time, wear down the entire cardiovascular system. And guess what? The avocado enters the scene as a true superhero. It protects the heart and helps control blood glucose levels. How? The good fats, fibers, and vitamins in avocado work in harmony to promote heart health and regulate glucose in a balanced way. The monounsaturated fat in avocado is one of the key players in reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, the villain that can clog arteries. And what's even better, it increases good cholesterol, HDL, acting as a protective shield for the heart. The fibers, in turn, stabilize glucose, preventing the sudden spikes and drops that worry us so much. Now imagine this. By adding avocado to your diet, you're adding an extra layer of protection to the two most vital systems in your body: the cardiovascular system and blood glucose control. The avocado isn't a magic potion, no, but it is undoubtedly a powerful ally. When combined with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, it becomes a true shield, helping to maintain balance as a loyal friend that takes care of you from the inside out. Next time you grab an avocado, take a moment to think. It's so much more than just a creamy, delicious fruit. It's a superhero disguised as a fruit, ready to step in and fight by your side against the challenges of diabetes, while also protecting your heart. With its perfect blend of good fats, fibers, and vitamins, avocado becomes a crucial ally in keeping your body strong, healthy, and full of energy. Next time you're at the supermarket and see an avocado on the shelf, remember, it's not just a tasty fruit. It's a true ally, with secret powers that work wonders inside. It might seem simple at first glance, but avocado brings benefits that, over time, will become essential to your well-being. By choosing an avocado, you're bringing home an ingredient full of virtues that will help keep your body healthy and ready to face everyday challenges with more energy. Let's take a step back and discover the secret that makes avocado so powerful. Inside this creamy, delicious fruit, there's a very special type of fat, called monounsaturated fat. But what does that mean exactly? Stay with me and get ready to be amazed. Imagine that the avocado carries a magical fat, like a superhero hidden inside the fruit, ready to spring into action as soon as you consume it. This fat plays a vital role in our body. It helps insulin do its job more efficiently. And for those with diabetes, insulin is the key to controlling blood sugar. When insulin can't do its job properly, sugar gets stuck in the bloodstream, unable to enter cells, causing that discomfort that every diabetic knows well. And this is where avocado fat comes in as a real hero. It helps reduce insulin resistance, allowing the body to use it more efficiently. Imagine the monounsaturated fat in avocado as a magic key, unlocking the doors of cells so sugar can enter slowly and without rush. The result? Glucose remains controlled, and the body can use it more effectively, avoiding those harmful sugar spikes, especially for those with diabetes. Amazing, right? And there's more. Think of that slice of bread or toast you love. These foods, being rich in carbohydrates, cause that rapid spike in blood sugar. Sugar enters the bloodstream almost immediately, causing glucose levels to rise quickly, which isn't good for anyone, especially for those with diabetes. Now imagine that, with the help of avocado, this situation completely changes. When you combine avocado with carbohydrates, it helps release sugar more slowly, in a controlled way. It's like the good fat in avocado is a traffic guard, organizing the flow of sugar and making sure it enters cells in an orderly way, like following a well-disciplined line. This prevents those rapid glucose spikes that can be so harmful to your health and helps maintain more stable glucose levels. Avocado becomes your extra ally, ensuring that glucose control is more efficient and safe. Imagine you're in your kitchen, about to add a special touch to your meal. You grab a ripe avocado, cut it in half, and inhale that fresh aroma. By adding avocado to your meal, you're doing much more than just adding flavor. You're taking care of your heart and blood sugar levels, without even realizing it. Avocado may not be the most famous hero of healthy eating, but it's that quiet type of hero that works behind the scenes, making a huge difference to your health. It may not be flashy like other foods, but its effectiveness is silent and powerful. While you're enjoying a toast with avocado or a creamy smoothie, this superhero is there, helping regulate glucose and keeping your body's balance intact. It enters the scene without making a fuss, taking care of the details that really matter to your health. And the best part? Avocado is incredibly versatile. It can be used in many ways. Imagine spreading its creamy pulp on a warm toast, creating a quick and delicious snack. Or in a salad, it adds amazing creaminess and flavor. In guacamole, it brings that perfect, smooth touch everyone loves. And of course, in smoothies, it turns an ordinary drink into a real nutrient powerhouse. Avocado is always ready to lend a helping hand, taking care of you while keeping everything in balance. So, how about giving avocado a chance? It could be the superhero you didn't know you needed, helping in the fight against diabetes and contributing to a healthier life. The journey with avocado is full of flavor, balance, and benefits for the whole body. And remember, there is no magic solution for diabetes. But avocado is a powerful tool for those seeking a more balanced approach to glucose control and a healthier life. Think of it as a quiet yet impactful ally. Often, we look for miracle formulas, but real change comes from consistency and making smart food choices. Avocado, simple and delicious, will show you how it can transform your health over time. Now, a fun fact. Avocado has carbohydrates, but don't worry. It's such a small amount that you won't even notice. Imagine you have a medium-sized avocado, weighing around 200 grams. If you take just a quarter of it, you'll find only 4 grams of carbohydrates. For many, this is a surprise, as avocado is famous for its creaminess and flavor. But in reality, the carbohydrates it contains are almost negligible. Almost nothing, right? And that's just another reason for it to be your ally in the quest for a healthy diet. Imagine you're in your kitchen, about to prepare a delicious breakfast or salad. You grab a piece of avocado, cut it in half, and gently place it on your toast or mix it with the fresh salad leaves. In this simple gesture, you're adding not just flavor and creaminess to your meal, but also making a smart choice to control your glucose without worrying about overdoing it with carbohydrates. It's like that finishing touch that makes everything tastier, without weighing on your glucose balance. Now, if you decide to devour the whole avocado at once, the story changes a little. The total carbohydrate content of a whole avocado is about 16 grams, equivalent to a slice of bread or a tortilla. So yes, in this case, you'd be consuming a carb amount similar to other foods you typically include in a meal. But the key here is to keep your portions balanced, so your glucose stays under control without the undesirable spikes. Moderation is the key. What's fascinating about avocado is that, even with this amount of carbohydrates, it has a very low glycemic index. This means that when you eat it, the sugar from the avocado enters your bloodstream very gradually, without causing that sudden glucose spike. It's as if the avocado is a master at releasing sugar in a controlled way, like a friend who, instead of pushing you into a quick and risky success, guides you calmly toward a safer, healthier future. You've probably heard of avocado as a superfood, and believe me, it doesn't disappoint. It's that friend who always has one more trick up their sleeve than you imagine. Packed with good fats, a controlled amount of carbohydrates, and a good dose of fiber, avocado helps keep your glucose more stable while giving your body a little push to use insulin more efficiently. It's not just a delicious fruit but a great ally in managing diabetes. Imagine that avocado is the superhero of your diet, ready to act when you need it most. It's not just a tasty fruit, it's a true defender of your health, always with its invisible cape, ready to protect your body and keep it strong and balanced. When you include it in your meal, like on toast or bread, it's as if the avocado summons its superpowers. What happens? It starts to act with precision, organizing the sugar from carbs masterfully, almost like a conductor leading an orchestra. It allows the sugar to enter your bloodstream slowly, without haste, as if forming a perfectly orderly line. No uncontrolled spikes. It ensures the glucose is released gently and controlled, which is a relief for those who need to manage their blood sugar levels. But what if I told you that avocado has more secret tricks up its sleeve? It's rich in fiber, and that makes all the difference. Think of fiber as traffic control in the intestines. When the traffic is well organized, everything flows smoothly. Avocado, with its powerful fiber, creates this protective barrier, helping slow down the absorption of sugar. This way, sugar enters the bloodstream slowly, without rushing, avoiding the quick and uncontrolled spikes. For those with diabetes, this is a real relief, as it keeps glucose in check all the time. Avocado isn't just a guardian of glucose but a hero of stability. And here comes the best part. Avocado contains 13 grams of fiber. That's almost half the recommended daily fiber intake for your body. Imagine the power of this fiber load, which helps keep sugar under control naturally and effectively. By choosing avocado, you're not just enjoying a creamy fruit but also giving your body an extra dose of fiber to ensure the balance you need, without sacrificing flavor and simplicity. Imagine that avocado is not just a delicious fruit but a hidden superhero, with powers that go far beyond its creaminess. Not only does it help control glucose, but it also has the ability to tame hunger and appetite. Have you ever eaten something and suddenly realized you're satisfied, with no desire for more? That's the fiber in avocado acting as a satiety signal, telling your body, that's enough for today. It acts like a guardian of food quantity, helping prevent overeating and making you feel full and satisfied for longer, without the need for snacks between meals. It's as if avocado has a superpower of appetite control, allowing you to eat in balance and without excess. But avocado doesn't stop there. It also nourishes the tiny invisible heroes that live in our gut, the gut microbiota. These microorganisms are essential for maintaining a healthy body, aiding digestion, protecting the immune system, and even influencing our mood. And guess what these little allies love? Fiber. By consuming avocado, you're nourishing these heroes and allowing your gut to function harmoniously and efficiently. As a result, your digestion becomes smoother, and your body gains more energy, like it's getting a push from the inside out. Now let's talk about something even more fascinating. Avocado contains two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. They work together like a dynamic duo, ensuring that your body functions like a well-lubricated machine. However, the soluble fiber is the true star of this show. It has the power to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, the villain that can clog arteries and harm the heart. When you include these fibers in your diet, you're protecting your heart and promoting healthy blood flow, which ensures your cardiovascular system stays strong and resilient, ready to face the challenges of time. So, next time you cut a piece of avocado, remember that you're doing much more than savoring a fruit. You're fueling your body with a powerful source of fiber, controlling glucose, keeping cholesterol in check, and helping to tame your hunger naturally. Avocado is a silent health hero, working from the inside out, ensuring your body stays protected, strong and balanced, all with an amazing taste that fits perfectly into your daily meals. So, diabetics, what do you think of these tips? I'd love to hear your opinion. Let me know in the comments if you liked the video and if there's any topic you'd like to see here. Your participation is really important to me. Subscribe to the channel.